Well, yes, it's raining. In fact, I think it's been raining non-stop for like the last 2 hours. It's actually quite early in the morning. It's 9:25 on Saturday morning. Yeah, and yeah, I'm out here in my Xbox pajamas. I didn't really want to take my phone out in this weather because it's suddenly come down heavier than I thought it did. And people looking out there, why is he up at 8:30 in the morning in his jammies in the rain? But yeah, no, you can't actually see it though. That's the problem. It's still quite dark-ish. So you can't really see the rain all that much. Yeah, well, I need to go out anyway, but hopefully my phone doesn't get too wet. Yeah. Yeah, you got like good puddles forming. Also, really cold. Actually, also came out here looking for one of our cats, who's only been missing since 6 o'clock, and yet people seem to be concerned. So I just thought I'd pop outside and look. Even oh, that used to be full of logs. That's gone down. Oh. Yeah, I don't actually know where else she could be though. She won't be outside because, well, it's raining. So, and an idiot would be out in this rain. She does sometimes hide in there though, but yeah. Oh, sludgy. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're gonna slip. Oh no. There you go. Okay, well, mission accomplished. Yeah, look, some puddles. Yeah, this very rarely happens unless it's been raining like a shit ton, which it has been. It has been non-stop for like the last few hours. Just endless. Also, my feet are actually pretty freaking cold. I'm actually gonna. Oh crap! Hang on, I need a thumbnail. See if I can actually. Okay, that's not too bad. Oh, my feet are red from the cold. Okay, well, what about this side? I don't know if this is in focus because I need to wipe the screen without stopping the video. And wipe the lens. There we go. I'll try that again. Yeah. Ugh. Trying to stay on one. This is not even in focus. Focus! Hang on. Anyway. As some time has passed. So, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go now. Actually, I maybe just do like just a few more. Hello. Oh yeah, haven't seen my face yet. Those puddles are still there. Look, that is actually quite deep. Yeah, anyway, I'm still going to go in now because it is actually quite cold. At least on your skin. Oh. Yeah, that'll probably be the best I've got. That's not too bad, I suppose. It looks in focus a bit more this time. I don't know if it's just because it was a bit darker out. Also, this floor is now a bit wet. So, anyway, yeah, there we go. There's another one. An actual walking in the rain, because it was actually pissing it down with rain as I recorded that. So, let's go indoors. So there we go. Yeah, that floor is very wet. Yeah. Anyway, there we go. That's another one. So, yay! You know, it's December. It might snow. I'll make a walking in the barefoot in the snow video. If it ever comes down to it. So, yeah. Ooh.